Inside our state-of-the-art facilities, advanced manufacturing process like CNC machine and automated production lines are the norm.
German craftsmanship is at the heart of our saw blade production. We use 4 kilowatt fiber lasers to weld tungsten carbide teeth with a positioning accuracy of 0.02 millimeters, which is 1/5 the diameter of a human hair. Each blade also undergoes Swiss Haynes dynamic balance testing. The result? At 4,200 RPM, the vibration is kept below 0.5 G, a key parameter for aerospace grade cutting. We use vacuum electron beam welding for our bimetal materials. This advanced process achieves a surface roughness of 0.3 micrometers and makes cutting smoother by 20% compared to plasma welding. Each product undergoes strict quality inspection to ensure high standards. Precision and efficiency are combined in our production process. Our Walter 5-axis grinders machine polycrystalline diamond tools with a repeat accuracy of 0.005 millimeters, making them perfect for cutting carbon fiber composite materials. We implement comprehensive quality control with strict testing from raw materials to finished products.